Phoenix is a greenhouse heater designed to meet the highest demands on quality and comfort. The body is made out of stainless steel and therefore rust-free. When standing on the ground, all the controls are on the heater. It can be operated from a standing position, eliminating any unnecessary bending for the gardener. The use of water in a greenhouse is unavoidable, and the BioGreen heater is IPX4 approved for safe use in humid environments. The Phoenix heater is equipped with stainless steel heating elements, which is in direct contrast to that used in cheap heaters where the heat elements turn bright red when hot or just give out dry air and damage the plants. Another feature is its ability to circulate air in the greenhouse. This fan is able to circulate 460 cubic meters per hour. There is no unpleasant strong stream of hot air. The high circulation cools the heating elements so that the outflow temperature remains under 40 degrees Celsius. This means that the warm air remains on the ground where it is needed and does not immediately rise as with other heaters. The Phoenix greenhouse heater heats the whole room, and the air circulation prevents any mould formation. The thermostat has sensors on the outside so that it measures outside temperature and not the temperature of the heater itself. This enables an effective and constant adjustment of the temperature in the greenhouse within a range of 0 degrees to 26 degrees Celsius. The required temperature can be precisely regulated. This is not only good for the plants, but also saves a lot of energy. The Phoenix greenhouse heater can provide ventilation in summer and heat from between 1000 and 2800 watts in winter. The red lamp indicates that the heater is on, and this switch gives the option of running the fan continually with the heater or operating synchronized with the heating elements. Of course, if the heater is hung from the ceiling, these features are all still available and the switch is easily operated from underneath.